Hey gang, this is Siobhan with SLK Services. I want to take the time out to thank you for coming over to watch this video. So today in this video, I am going to kind of take you guys through the process of me getting my website set back up. This is just going to be a simple step, and the reason why I'm sharing this and the reason why I may share additional videos when it comes to WordPress is whenever I get stuck, I'm going to try to come in and show you guys how to get basically unstuck. If you have never built a website, or if you want to try to build a website on WordPress, it is very easy. I use Namecheap, which Namecheap is basically a hosting website, which they pretty much do their, like, you can get your domain name, and then also get your hosting through them for WordPress, which they use EasyWP, which is connected with Namecheap. Hopefully all of that makes sense. I'm going through the process of trying to change my website, and I'm going to show you guys what I am actually using. So when you want to go to the themes, you go to appearance and you click on themes. This is a theme that I'm actually using, and I can go in and customize this theme. Now, of course, it doesn't look like that right now. And so one of the things that I ran into in trying to get this set up, I was like, okay, why is this still showing my pages that I had before? Why is it not updating to what this particular front page looks like? And so I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So what you want to do is you want to go to settings, and then you're going to go to reading. Now in reading, I selected a static page, which if you guys go back to through some of my first videos that I posted, I was sharing my website, you'll see my static page is different. So in order to get that page on my website, you actually have to remove this. You have to unselect that and then click on your latest post. And then after that, click on save changes. And then we're going to save changes. And then we're going to go back and click on the website. So as you can see, this is what the page looks like. I've already added some things, like I've added my website page, the links up here at the top. I've added like some tags. I still have more information to put in. And then I went in and completed this bottom section. Now, guys, I told you in my last video, when I think about things, I think about perfection, and I'm not trying to be a perfectionist, but if, like some people say, they're not gonna know. But the thing is, like this area here, I am in the process of trying to figure out how to remove this area, this blank space, so that it lines up um exactly the way that it should. And once I figure that out, guys, I'll come back and do another video for you guys, because I'm sure there's somebody else that may end up getting to their footer and they're not sure how to correct this. Other than, I want to show you guys how you can get your themes as well, if it's a theme that you don't want to use that's originally in WordPress. Alrighty, so if you watch my previous video about WordPress, you're going to click on the plugins and you're going to click on install plugins. And this is how you're going to get the theme that I currently have, or you can find similar. Okay, so once you're in plugins, you're going to click on add plugin, and then you're going to go and type in themes. And it's going to bring up the different types of themes that are available. Now, the one that I actually have, I'm going to go back and show you guys, go back to my themes, is the Block Skit Business Agency theme. And initially, I think I had the 2017 theme, and I had to go in and kind of make changes on there. With this one, this is more like a plug and play. Like I can type in words. I don't have to go in to get like my links. Well, I have to go get my links, but I don't have to go in to get like these images here. These things here, I don't have to worry about getting those. I can just kind of plug and play from what I already have. And then images, I can gather those and then just, again, like I said, plug and play is really easy. This right here was already done. I just had to go in and type in everything, and I have to go back and add all my links to it. Websites, again, are pretty easy. There are some now that you can create with AI, but I like to put my hands on a project to get it done. I know it takes a little bit longer, but in the end, it'll be exactly what I design and what I created so that I learn. And if someone ends up one day, I may want, someone says, hey, I need a website, I can actually go ahead and design that for them and charge them for it. So that is another service that you can add to your business if you want to work from home, is creating websites. So until next time, guys, I will see you guys in the next video.